Good morning. May good news tayo early in the morning. Good news. Nakapasa si asawa dun sa inaplay niya.
Yeah, I'm people with a panic attacks here just now.
Nakapasa siya sa dun sa inaplayer niya. So, malaking tulong yun. Kasi, malaki yung ano doon. Malaki yung sahod. Actually, ano naman siya, same company, pero iba yung client. So, different client siya. Good morning sa ating yung good news. Mag-experiment naman po tayo. Ito yung shrimp. Ibabata shrimp tayo. Ito yung frozen. Cook shrimp na siya. Yung galing. So, for breakfast, ito natin sa kanya. Kasi po na from the Philippines. Actually, dito from the Philippines. Galing pa dun sa Seafood City. Kasi nakasi ko. Tapos, sagin na natin ang shrimp. Sagin natin ang poached egg. Sagin na natin ang cabbage. Yan kung ano itong gawin. So, ayan. Prepare tayo. Tinawag niya ako para lang excited siya. Kahit nung nakuha ko siya sa Philippines, yung 2018, pinagkakita ko sa kanya. So, gusto niya, ayaw mo siya binibili. Pero sa Walmart, pala sa Walmart pala meron mas mahal na ito. So, yun. Ayun, same yung price na 60. Pero mahal to, sa atin kasi 15 pesos to. Mas late na naman si Ako Binis eh. Kaya yung mga easy pitat lang yung mabilis. So, lang tayo ng garlic. Gusto na kasi yung minced garlic. So, ito na ano tayo. Whole garlic. Extract ko na lang. Isa na tayo. Ang dami. Yung gamitin natin shrimp frozen. Ito naman yung butter na ginagamit ko. Mura lang siya. Ito yung ginawa ko. Tingnan mo na yan. Pare-pare yung butter. So, bigyan na natin yung butter kasi okay. Tapos, nag-poach lang tayo ng egg. Hi, ito yung pansit canton natin. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng cilantro, shrimp, and yung poached egg natin. Pero, ano yan, hard-boiled yan. Kasi ayaw niya asawa na medyo hilaw. Yan na, pansit canton, level up!
Thank you.
Ito yung ating shrimp. Yan, sarap! Pero parang ako lang kakain kasi hindi sila kumakain ng shrimp. Ako lang pala. How was it, love?
Really good. The shrimp is good too.
Eee! Oh, yeah!
Really good.
Hindi siya nakain ng shrimp. Oh, yan. Pero kumain siya. Oh. Nagustuhan naman niya.
I'm spilling my food.
Nakasalang yung lalaban ko, guys. Habang nakasalang, nagpicture-picture ako. Tapos siya, working siya. Yan. Working siya, guys. So, nag-work siya ngayon. May pakikilala pala ako sa inyo, guys. Baby ko. Ayan. Ang aking baby dito. Kasi yung dalawa kong baby nasa Pilipinas. Ito yung baby dito. Sa mga nag-react, ang taba ko daw. Ang taba daw. Ay, ano naman? Mataba talaga ako. Ganun talaga. Pag inaalagaan, tumataba. Baka ikaw kaya ka naman mahal. Kasi wala nag-aalaga sa'yo. Joke. We are resting here, guys. Resting. Later, bibili kami sa Walmart ng cake ko.
Always want candy.
What?
Always want candy.
Refresh lang niya. Galing sa work. Tapos, mamaya, pag nakarest na siya, bibili na kami na matamis po. Candies. Candies for his baby. Gusto kami bumili na kami ngayon sa Dora Bakery. Either of any donut or any pastries. Nandinis bakery na lang. Hi. So, how's your day today about the good news? Can you tell me about your new job?
It's a desk adjuster for home insurance
Ah,
for accidents, fires, floodings. They're the people that do the adjustments of the benefits for those who, fortunately get into house accidents, I guess, or hurricanes, fires, floodings. They do the adjustments for that insurance after the incident has happened. So yeah. hmm
so you think that would be a great job for you? Better than your job, current job?
Yeah, I like it more because I can work from anywhere I want.
Yee.
From the Philippines, finally, I can work from anywhere I want. It's more money and it's a better career. It's a future. So it's a good opportunity. Once you get licensed, you can just work for your own for yourself. So I am really blessed and really happy. I got the chance to do it. Yeah, it's humbling.
What can you say about to our subscribers there, or to those that not yet are subscribers, haven't subscribed? What can you say to them?
Like and subscribe.
Good night, guys.